Good evening everyone! Magandang gabi! It's time for another Learn Tagalog Words and Phrases Pronunciation video at let's start with the word chance sa Ingles. Chance sa Tagalog ay pagkakataon. 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 Halimbawa or example, if you want to say, give me a chance. Bigyan mo ako ng pagkakataon. Bigyan mo ako ng pagkakataon. Or, chance ko ng magsalita. It's my chance to speak. Chance ko ng magsalita. That is a Taglish or Tagalog and English since we use the English word chance. If you wanna say it sa purong Tagalog or pure Tagalog, pagkakataon ko ng magsalita. Pagkakataon ko ng magsalita. Next, have you ever heard someone say, bad trip ako? Bad trip ako. It doesn't really mean that person just had a bad trip or a bad journey. But hearing someone say, bad trip ako, means he or she is pissed off or in a bad mood. So, if you hear someone say, bad trip ako, that person is pissed off. Part sa Tagalog ay parte. 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 Or you can say bahagi. 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 Examples or mga halimbawa. Mga parte ng katawan. Means parts of the body. Or you can also say mga bahagi ng katawan. Or another example, you're part of my life. You can say parte ka ng buhay ko, at you can also say bahagi ka ng buhay ko. Desisyon. 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 If you wanna say, I'm here in or I'm here at, sa Tagalog, you can either say, andito ako sa, or nandito ako sa. Okay, let's say that slower. Nandito ako sa, or the other one, andito ako sa. Halimbawa, you wanna say, I'm here in the kitchen. Nandito ako sa kusina. Or you can say, andito ako sa kusina. Another example, I'm here at the mall. Nandito ako sa mall. Or, andito ako sa mall. Music and radio sa Tagalog. Music, musika. 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 Radio, radyo. 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 Last one, piece. Piraso. Piraso. Halimbawa, one piece of paper. Isang piraso ng papel. Or, I need one piece of paper. Kailangan ko ng isang piraso ng papel.